It does now. Hello.
He's smiling.
What a good day. What a good day this man has had.
It's a lovely day.
John and Kath had a lovely night's sleep on the landing here. Just as fun to see that.
What a landing.
There we have it. Oh, what are we having here? Who do we have sleeping where, we ask ourselves? Oh, we have a man who's at least got a sleeping bag down here. We have Jason, I believe.
Oh. Go away, go away. I'm not in the mood this morning.
And John's in the corner being very quiet. Where the hell, how did Stuart only manage to get downstairs?
Because we kicked him out.
Come on, Paul, let's have a smile for the video camera.
I gave you the choice of sleeping with a woman.
Oh, fuck off.
Bastard. Who's that, Rick?
Quick, boys, make yourselves up. Quick, do the hair, quick. You're not looking too healthy.
Where's the lucky you back? Fuck off!
Nearly.
Oh, Mark's looking healthy. They're not looking healthy. Most of them aren't looking very healthy around here. Look.
I'm feeling healthy.
Oh no, you're joking.
Go on, Katie. Go on, Katie, let's have a smile. There's Jane looking over here as well. Love it.
I'm not playing football today. I've decided.
Oh, come on, don't hide from the camera, girl. Come on. It's got to be worth it. As we come up here, and it looks like we've got the video camera in here. And it looks like, oh, look at that bum. Oh, and little Paul, he got his willy out. Ah, that is surprising. Hello, Paul. And he's looking very intellectual with his beard. I see beard. Do I see beard? Boring parts in the kitchen again. For the summertime blues. I'll give you a phone. Hi. Hi. What's going on everywhere? Let's have a look. And we're going down to the party, and the time is, what's the time? It's 11:05. What's going on at the pig bar? Let me see, it looks very suspect. Yes. What have we got?
boy. Got a beer? Let's go. No, guys, upstairs. That's the way. Really good.
And here we are, travelling to the match, Sunday morning, approximately 10 o'clock.
Estimated time of arrival, 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Otherwise you get some use to it.
Yeah, go my son. Oh, it just looks quite smart, doesn't it? Think you're on. Battery's a bit flat.
That number plate is, yeah. Should have bought this tape in, shouldn't we?
Yeah. So see how close you get this junction.
Who's in the passenger seat?
One of mate's properties. Here. Look at these stars, look. Stars, look. And we have Glenn Hoddle and Chris Waddle. It's a bit bright. Playing for Liverpool this time. The team, as it were.
Oh, here we go, here we go.
Right, into the near post. He plays it out, they'll run out and run from the edge of the box, that's it. We always have people see, I'm never in there. Concentration. It's incredible, really. It is Nigel. How's Rachel, Nigel, mate? How's Rachel? Who's that? Is that Kenny over there? And here's the star striker. So John, how are we going to score tonight then?
Oh, yeah. Get the old view.
Put off clearing it up for a while.
And Paul?
Yes. Oh, John, here we are, mega stars.
Here we are, after a depressing day of football,
5-0
in which we
win.
lost 5-0.
I scored 3 in that 5 minutes.
And, was it a good game?
Terribly good. We did play rather well, actually. It was jolly good fun.
Yeah, the only thing I could think of was my oats last night, you know?
You had oats last night, Johnny? Yeah, hang on a minute. And Paul, we have visual evidence of it. No, this man is going to cock it up now with his bloody Hoover. With his fucking Hoover. His big Hoover.
Killer Hoover.
And here we have Stuart Beecham, busy at work. Doing a lovely job on my carpet. And here we have the room, which is a mess.
Confess that you thought Candy looked like a pig when you got
Oh, dearie me, Johnny.
Well, good looking pig.
Oh, dearie me, Johnny. Oh, dearie me, Johnny Bud.
Wait until Candy sees this.
There's no tape in there, Neil. Oh, yes, there is.
I know. I think we'll get that on. Good, still hoovering away. And we're entering the sitting room now. She's slightly cleaner than what it was yesterday. And John! And what do we think of Kathy, John?
Very nice woman.
Very nice woman.
We got that on tape.
Here's Mark looking very upset.
No, he was around the corner, did I? I've got one with no move.
I mean, look at this man.
No
The star of the football match. Swan Athletic main man.
Go away.
Mr. Manager himself.
Oh, look at him. Don't you think he looks a vision?
Don't you look disgustingly horrible?
Well, inspiration there from Mark, really.
Shame we didn't show any on the pitch today, that's all I can say.
The people's choice.
All right there, John, mate. That's £5 a week, mate. For the next 10
I'll
weeks.
pay a week for the rest of our
Did you
lives.
get that on tape?
We did indeed.
I didn't hear it this morning.
No, we just got it now.
I do like that bit of black actually.
You always been black.
Brand new people's choice, Squidability and the boys. Good choice there.
Oh, bloody hell, what's happened?
Those songs. Of course, we have 3 more brand new ones. Some have an extra 3 o'clock. Shut them down.
Dad, what's your favourite colour?
I don't know.
Well, go on.
Enjoy.
What's your favourite colour?
You're holding still. Look, Trinta. Be like shit. Okay, come in. Just hold it. Jack, you what it is, go. Go. Oh,
Speech.
Just go from left to right.
Match when you want to see its competition.
Speech.
Any time to get the next out soon.
Time is the most precious commodity you have. Milcar's contract hire not only spreads the cost of your business motoring, but when a service is due, Milcar's will connect with a
Hang on.
At BMW showrooms at Stanmore, Radcliffe, Millhead and Watford, will see the Milcar's ad in the Sunday Times.
Sit on my face.
That's BMW Milcars.
Let's have some acid, boys. Come on, acid! Can you feel it?
you feel it?
Making the big time.
First, 9 o'clock. Later, about 3 o'clock. We never got to that one then?
No, put it on now. We did. We put it on later on. Did we get to 3 o'clock? No, we didn't get to 3 o'clock.
Going to bed at half 2.
But we did get it on.
Get chucked out of your...
Oh, I'm going to go for a close-up.
John, you're a little slippy already.
Just going to pick up all that hoop. So we've done it upstairs. And here we have the star player of the Swan Athletic side.
Thank you.
I mean, this bloke played magic football. I mean, I would just reach out now and grab his autograph. And here we have his young lady, who did nothing but give sarcastic comments all the way through the football match, which we all have on tape, which Max is about to hear. Oh, dearie me!
Did I really?
Yes, disgusting. Aren't they hunky was our word? Greg's boudoir to find out about how he broke his finger. Wanking again, I suppose. Richard! Hello!
Oh,
Happy birthday! We would like an exclusive interview on how you broke your finger.
I didn't break it.
What you done to it then?
I fractured it.
You fractured your finger. Can we have an exclusive interview? Come on, let's see your beautiful face. Here we have the fabulous Ringwood Road Pig Farmers garden? Something like that anyway. Chelsea Flower Show, eat your heart out. Well, here's a wonderful Ringwood Road Pig Farmer Christmas tree, which will be coming out in about a month. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Stewie Huber, Willie's car. Now we're talking about a car. The afternoon after. Deflated Black Betty, Sweaty Betty. Oh, there's not much life left in there, is there? Half-tidy kitchen. Oh! Hello! Come on, let's see you smile.
Go away, ratbag.
Go away, ratbag.
I can't look.
Oh, he's in the shitter.
Mr. Barron,
Hello.
can that thing record smells?
Yes.
Get in there. Smell in there. You're impressed.
Hi, boy.
Oh, shit. Spot the engineer.
He's doing very well. Wonderful, wonderful stuff.
There's some money in it. Money?
Yeah.
I know, I'm trying to get the bastard out.
Jane!
I managed. Try sideways, Stu. Stuart! He's a very rowdy cowboy, isn't he? Yeah!
I'll look up Max's ear roll, see if there's any brains in there. Probably not.
In tranquility.
Here on BBC Two now, Barcelona's Olympic Stadium witnesses a stunning visual and musical feast as Madonna tantalizes an ecstatic crowd to the sound